What if I told you that for centuries, governments have been running the same financial scam? A trick so old, the Roman emperors used it to build their empire. It's a game where your savings are silently stolen, your taxes fund the rich, and the rules are deliberately made too complex for you to follow. A game designed to keep the majority dependent. But what if you could finally see the trap? Stay with me, because understanding this one historical pattern could save you from a lifetime of being played. This isn't just a history lesson. This is about the financial tricks being used on you, right now. Inflation, hidden taxes, and bailouts. These aren't accidents. They are policies designed to transfer wealth from you to them. For years, I just accepted that prices go up and that the system is complex. I trusted the official story that government spending was for growth and stability. I was wrong. I realized that the oldest trick in the book is to call a wealth transfer something else. I promise, by the end of this video, you will see exactly how this trick works. You will learn the 3 modern forms of this ancient scam and, most importantly, how to start protecting yourself. The first one, inflation, is happening to your bank account as we speak. Rule 1. Inflation is a choice, not an accident. Let's go back to ancient Rome. When emperors needed money for wars, they didn't just raise taxes. That was unpopular. Instead, they melted down silver coins, mixed them with cheap copper, and made more coins. The coins looked the same, but their value plummeted. This was history's first silent tax. Today, it's not done with copper, but with money printing. When governments spend more than they have, the value of your money goes down. Have you ever felt like your salary is bigger, but you're somehow poorer? That's the trick in action. So, while they tell you inflation is just a normal part of the economy, history shows it's a tool they use to pay their bills with your savings. But the scam gets bigger, too. They privatize the gains and socialize the losses. This is the bailout trick. In 2008, banks made reckless bets and nearly crashed the world economy. Did they pay the price? Number. You did. Ordinary taxpayers funded massive government bailouts to save them. The banks got to keep the profits from the good years, and you covered their losses from the bad years. It's a system where the insiders win and the public pays the bill. The trick is the language they use. It's never called a handout to the rich. It's called saving the system or maintaining stability. This pattern is everywhere, from national debt to pension plans, where promises are made, but the public is left holding the bag. So how do you start to opt out? Rule 3. Financial ignorance is their greatest weapon. The final and most powerful trick is keeping you financially ignorant. Financial literacy isn't taught in most schools for a reason. They weaponize complexity with 1,000-page tax codes and confusing jargon to make sure you can't see the money being transferred from your pocket to theirs. Their system relies on you not understanding concepts like assets, compound interest, or the real definition of value. The moment you start learning, investing in your own financial education, you stop being an easy target. Your brain is your biggest asset, and knowledge is your best defense. If you believe financial education is resistance, do me a favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube that this is a conversation more people need to be having. So let's bring it all together. From Roman emperors devaluing coins to modern central banks printing money, the game has always been the same. But now you know the pattern. The system works by keeping you in the dark, but financial education is the light that sets you free. You can now see the tricks they use to keep you broke. And if you want to learn the specific strategies to build real wealth outside of their rigged system, that's what we break down every week. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you can start rigging the game back in your favor.